How to switch between multiple accounts in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are on the main screen or game lobby and signed in. To switch between multiple accounts, first of all you need to sign out from the current one. To sign out, open your device settings, go to the apps or application manager, find Fire Kirin and tap on clear data. This will log you out of the game and remove saved login details. Now open the Fire Kirin game again. You will see the option to sign in with Facebook. Tap on it and select a different Facebook account to log in. This way you can switch between multiple Fire Kirin accounts easily by clearing data and logging in with the Facebook account you want to use. Remember to repeat this process whenever you want to switch accounts. Now you know how to switch between multiple accounts in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.